Hello dears, today I am going to teach you this cute little bus Rakhi for your little brothers. I mixed up two yarns for this string here. And I'm going to use an 8-ply yarn, a 4.5 mm hook, a tapestry needle, and a scissor for cutting the extra threads. So let's start. Slip knot, and make 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Leave one chain and single crochet into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next we make a chain, one chain, turn your work and make more 10 single crochets till the end. Again make a chain, single crochet into the next 10 chains, one more row, 9 and 10. Make a single crochet, a single chain, and then slip stitch into the next 2, 3 and 4. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Into the third, 1, 2, 3, the third space we make a treble crochet, 1 and one more treble crochet into the next one. Then we chain 3 and then get into the last stitch. So the bus is now forming. Then what we do is we single crochet into all, we single crochet all around. So 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Need to make a corner here, make one more single crochet and then single crochet into the next 10 stitches. Now we come to the end of this 10th stitch. Here we make 2 single crochets again. So it makes the corner for this area. and then tuck this in. 1, 2 and 3. So we made, it's forming, the bus is forming. Now one more single crochet to make the corner, and then into the next stitch 1 and 2. Here we make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then we get into this stitch, pull up a loop through and then fasten off.